welcome back to my channel. If you're a first timer here, then welcome. If you guys remember in my last vlog, I was in Kumar and I said I was heading to Switzerland. So here we are. If you can see the view behind me, it's freaking gorgeous. It's epic here, guys. Honestly, leaving Kumar, I was thinking that's probably it is one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to, and I was thinking it's very, very hard to top Kumar, but here, oh my goodness, nature at its finest, the mountains, the temperature is perfect. There's so many cute like sheeps and goats and cows running around. Honestly, this place is amazing. As you guys can see in the background, there is a beautiful, beautiful waterfall, one of many around here. Honestly, this town is beyond gorgeous. We're in Lauterbrunnen right now. So anyways, I shall be vlogging for you guys. This vlog is going to be epic. So stay tuned for some great sceneries, guys. Waterfall. The water, I think, comes directly from the thingy. I'm gonna try it. I mean, it's not the best quality water in the world, but I mean, it's straight from the fall, so you can't go wrong with that. But yeah. Hey, Colin, what do you think about the beautiful view?
It's pretty epic. We're in some glacier drives here, and there's a giant swan.
Swan? Oh, over here. Swan coming up. Gorgeous. Anything else?
It's a very pretty town. That's pretty much it. We're just exploring Switzerland.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at this lake, and look how freaking epic this place is. I cannot. The water is literally so blue. It's gorgeous. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of drone shots and stuff, but I just wanted to say this place is freaking epic. So yeah, enjoy the drone shots. To the end of our Switzerland vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sadly, we're leaving this place today, but we're now heading to Amsterdam, and that is going to be another late vlog, okay? So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet or turned your notifications on, please do so. And also, do not forget to like and share my videos, okay? Once again, I hope you enjoyed this amazing vlog. I'm sure as hell gonna miss this beautiful place. So until next time, guys, stay awesome.